Okay, so these are 5 basic steps to launch your website. You're going to get domain and hosting, install WordPress, log into WordPress, create your website, and launch your website. What is it going to cost you? Just the cost for getting your domain and hosting. Every other thing is free. To install WordPress is free, to build your website is free, and this training is free. You should be excited right now. What we are going to be needing to get a domain, which is step one. Step one is to get domain and hosting, right? And the cost is 7,500 naira. Okay, cool. We're going to be needing an email address, a phone number, and all the business info, and of course the money involved. Some quick notes: when you are considering a hosting company, you should consider price, you should consider the features and limitations, you should consider the technical support, which is huge. Because sometimes you're going to run into technical issues, so you want a hosting provider that is very quick to respond to your complaints and what have you. So you always all need to look at customer review and stuff like that. Look at who is using them and all that stuff. These are my recommendations. For the purpose of this training, we are going to be using qservers.net, but there are other ones like Bluehost, Namecheap, and HostGator. qservers.net is indigenous, is Nigerian, or it's owned by Nigerians and all that stuff. So we're going to be using it, and it's actually very, very affordable, and their support is awesome and great. I've been using them for more than 5 years now. Okay, when you want to choose a domain name, you want to make it simple as possible, so it can be very memorable. And one of the ways to do that is to keep it short. Some people want to have a domain that is as long as anything, but that's not the way to go. You always want to keep your domain as short as possible. So enough talk already. Let's get to work.